Hey food lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking and you are welcome to the family. My returning subscribers, thank you very much. If you want your ogbono soup to be thick, rich and draw perfectly, you know that perfect ogbono. The beauty of ogbono is when it draws very well. You are in the right place. Today I will be showing you how to make this delicious Nigerian delicacy step by step, with some secret tricks that will make your soup taste even better. Let's get cooking, guys. The first step to a flavorful ogbono soup is the protein. Here I'm using chicken, beef and omo for that perfect texture. To season, I'm adding salt, seasoning powder, chicken spice and beef spice. This will bring out the rich taste of that meat. I poured in my blended peppermint for extra depth. Then I will give it a good stir and cover and let it steam before adding water to cook everything until soft. The meat stock from this will be pure gold. While my protein is cooking, let's prepare the main ingredient, that is my ogbono. I blended my ogbono seed until it's smooth. You need that smooth texture for you to get a perfect ogbono. Then I blended my tatashi, shombo and pepper for color and heat. Next, I blended my ogiri and UZIZA seed. This combination gives this soup a deep, local and slightly spicy flavor. You know that kind of ogbono soup that you eat when you visit your grandma or your mom. Then you lick your plate. That's the kind of ogbono we are making. Everything is set. Now let's move to the fun part of cooking this soup. Now this is where most people make mistake. To get that perfect draw, I pour in my red oil in a pot and added my blended ogbono immediately before the oil gets too hot. If the oil is too hot, the ogbono won't draw properly at all. You now gonna start blaming the woman that you bought it from, or from the vendor you bought it from. Once added, I will continue stirring the ogbono till all the lumps dissolve, until you see the ogbono is starting to come together. Then you will go ahead to pour in some water and stir continuously and leave the pot open. Stirring is very important because it prevents the ogbono from burning and it helps the ogbono dissolve very well. Stirring it, have you seen how the ogbono is starting to come together? This is how, in fact, if you want it to even draw better, like if you have patience, continue doing this and it's going to draw perfectly. Like you have not made this type of ogbono before. Once I see it's drawing perfectly, I added my dried catfish and the flavorful meat stock. Mix everything together and cover it for you to cook. The longer ogbono cooks, the better it tastes. This is why ogbono tastes even better the next day or even a week after it's been made. I don't know if you are still there, but if you are still there and you have watched this video to this extent and you have not yet liked, why now? Please like this video so that the algorithm will be able to push it for others to see, and drop a nice comment. If you have a better way of making ogbono, you can also educate us in the comment section. And don't forget to always check out my other videos and always click my videos when you see. After some few minutes of cooking, I added my locust beans, my diced onion, my blended UZIZA and ubeyi, my blended peppermint, my crayfish, my banla fish and my diced omo. In fact, everything I needed to make this soup, this is the perfect time to add it, because after now you won't be able to add it again. These ingredients will take the taste to the next level. I will give everything a good mix and allow it to cook properly so that the flavors can blend very well. Time for the final adjustments. I added a bit more salt and seasoning powder. Make sure you must have tested your soup before doing this. If your soup does not need it, you don't need to add it. I stirred again. I then added some fresh UZIZA leaves for that bold, sliced, spicy kick. Guys, I like adding UZIZA seed and UZIZA leaf to my soup. Like, it takes my soup to the next level and to giving that perfect taste. In fact, making my soup to be 100/100 minus nothing. I stirred the UZIZA leaves for you. Lastly, I finished with UGU, that is pumpkin leaf, to add that vibrant color and fresh taste. And just like that, my ogbono soup is ready. When you add your vegetable, you don't need to continue cooking the soup for a very long time because you want everything to still remain fresh and crunchy when you be eating the soup. So at this point, our soup is ready. Now it is time to serve our food and look at how thick and rich this soup is. It's drawing perfectly and packed with so much flavor. Serve this with pounded yam, eba or fufu. Me, I like eating this soup with fufu. And you will have a meal that everyone will love. Guys, when you make this for your family, they are going to fall in love with you again. And if the person is not in love with ogbono soup, the person will fall in love with ogbono soup and keep asking you to make ogbono soup for them. Now, if you enjoyed this video and this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more mouth-watering Nigerian dishes. See you in my next video. Bye.